Hello, I'm Michael Beckett, here to tell you about how the Fairfax County Department of Family Services can help you stay safe, apply for food and health benefits, and find a job, all from a computer or phone. These services are not new, but you may not be aware of all the services you can receive without coming into our buildings. During these stressful times, everyone is spending more time at home and away from their friends and family. For some people, home is not a safe place. For victims of child abuse, elder abuse, and domestic violence, it can even be deadly. The Department of Family Services is here to help. If you're concerned about the safety of a child, you can make a report or discuss possible child abuse or neglect. Call our 24-hour CPS hotline at 703-324-7400. This can be a stressful time for parents and children. You may want some advice about appropriate discipline, stress management, or ideas for fun things to do as a family. Please call our new parent support line at 703-324-7720 for a listening ear and resource ideas. If you feel unsafe at home because your partner is violent and may hurt you, or worried about somebody who may be experiencing domestic violence, our 24-hour domestic and sexual violence hotline can help. Call 703-360-7273. All of these services are confidential. Older adults and people who have certain disabilities are also at risk. To report abuse, exploitation, or neglect of an adult, call our Adult Protective Services hotline at 703-324-7450. With the high rate of unemployment right now, many people are eligible for food and medical assistance. For people who've never applied for help with food or health care before, it may seem complicated, but the Department of Family Services is here to help. You can do it all online or over the phone. The first step in the application process is to visit Common Help, a Commonwealth of Virginia website. Click on the Am I Eligible link and answer a short list of questions to learn about the programs you may be eligible for. After you've completed the screening, the next step is to apply. And you can apply online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on the Common Help website. Once your application is complete, you will be assigned a Fairfax County caseworker. If you have questions, our customer care phone line, 703-324-7500, is available to take your calls Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. If you need help finding a job, we can help with job searches, preparing for an interview, career coaching, and more. We have Virginia Career Work Centers all over the region, but you can also get these services by phone or by emailing our team. During these unusual times, we all need to look out for each other and take care of each other. The Fairfax County Department of Family Services is here to help with over 50 programs and services. And for many of these, you can use your phone or a computer, and you don't have to visit our buildings. Please call us or visit our website to learn more. And please, stay safe and healthy.